Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at how to use TikTok to run ads. It's no longer news that TikTok is now in Nigeria and you can run ads on it. So if you're a business owner or you're looking for ways to run TikTok ads in Nigeria, look no further because I'm here to show you how to make it. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and watch to the end so you don't miss out on the most important aspect. Now let's get started and join me as I take you through my screen. Please remember, you can also pay with your Nigerian card. Yes, it's that easy. Use your Nigerian card, register, and you will get and everything will go smoothly. So let's get started right now. So first of all, you go to your TikTok page. This is my page on health. So I will click on these three lines above. Yes, I'm going to click. Let me show you. This is it. So I click on it. Then you go to TikTok studio. This is your TikTok studio. Click on it. Under tools, you scroll up. You are going to see more tools. Under more tools, you are going to get promote. This is it. You click on promote. After promote, you go to choose your goals. If you want to boost your account, you want to get more sales, you want to get more leads, look at it here. Get sales, boost life, get more leads. So anyone you choose to do, you are free to do that. More video views, more followers, more profile views. All right, let's select our content. So look at it here. I'm going to be choosing one content. Okay, I can as well go with this. Let me go with this. But in case you want to choose, you can just click on it. This is it. It's already there, so you can just choose one. So let me stick with this first one. So I'm going to go back. So right now, I want to get sales. Now if you want to get sales, like for business owners, you click on get sales and then you go to your edit button. This is it. I'll click on my edit button. Okay, on this your edit button, you put your website link, your Facebook link, your WhatsApp, where you want people to come to you. That is what you do here. So right now, this is my link, but I do not want to use that link. Let me go to my YouTube to get what I want them to view. So I want them to view this. So I'm going to like copy the link, copy link, then I post it here. I'm deleting this. I'm coming. I've not posted it yet. All right, I've pasted it. Then you save. Then call to action. What do I want? See more. I want people to watch more. So I'm going to click on this option, watch more. Then I tap on save. Then we have over here, you have custom promotion. As you can see, custom promotion, your price. So I do not want TikTok to choose for me. I'm going for custom. I want to choose by myself. So I'm going to click on custom. So this is it. So the views I want on my channel, what I'm trying to promote is mostly for female. So I'm going to click from age, let's get from 18 to 55. So I'm going to click on this like this. So my interests: personal care, baby, kids, maternity, personal care, news, business. So I'm going to take beauty and personal care. All right, so you know your own, you choose the one that is good for you. So I'll click on save. So this is budget. You choose the budget and you choose the duration. So I'm going to be running it for a day, 1 day, which is $9.90 per day. If you look here, I took it back. You're going to be seeing $9.90 per day, duration 1 day. You just have to drag the arrow. So now I'm going to click on choose promotion pack. Which is this $9.90 recharge. So I'm going to click on recharge. So this is it. We have 125 coin, 1000. So it's $9.90. So I'm going to click on this 120. All right, I'll click on it. I'll click on recharge. As you can see, this is 120 and what we have there is $9.90, close to 1000. So I'm going to click on the plus icon to increase the money, to increase the coin. This is 360. I'm going to get it to 720, 840, 960. We have 990, 1018 naira. So already my card is there. I don't even know if I have enough money, but let's try. So you just click on it and that is it. So let's see. Let me use my card for this. Choose, of course. Processing. Submitting your order. Try a different pay. Your payment was declined to complete. Use this or use a channel. Let me see. This option is 3886. Let's try again. I don't know why, but I think something is not right. Payment successful. Wow. Submitting your order. See, it's very easy. I told you, very as easy as 45 coin you purchased at 1603 have been added to your balance. Can you see this notification? Can you see it up here? So let's see. It's still loading. Guys, just wait patiently. I think the network is kind of slow. Let's wait. Please also join my channel. I'm going to be dropping the link to my Telegram channel via the description below and also in the comment section. Please do well to join. So as you can see, it's written paid. See price details. Review our ads. This preview. Yeah, you get to see what we did. So look at it. If you look here, you're going to see sponsored. You see it? Sponsored. That means it's running. Basically, that is how to go about it. So see you in my next video and bye. Don't forget to subscribe and turn up your notification for more videos like this. Thank you.